Okay, so when I was first starting out on my fitness journey, I looked like this, and then this is a picture that I took yesterday. Y'all, I'm going to tell you exactly how I was able to lose almost 50 pounds in about the span of 6 or 7 months. The first thing is that I started counting my calories. I use the app Nutrition Coach. I cut out like all sodas. Like if I just really am craving a soda, then I'll get like a Diet Coke or something, but don't drink any sodas, like no sugary drinks like juices or anything like that. Most of the things that I drink are like water and like maybe a Gatorade if I'm just like really needing something a little bit sweeter, but no drinks, so just like Diet Coke and water is pretty much all I drink. I did not change my diet at all. Yesterday I went out with my best friend to a ramen place and I had spicy ramen, and then we got cookies and ice cream after, and it didn't matter. I still weighed the exact same and I still look amazing. As far as like going to the gym, working out, what did I do at the gym? I have not been to the gym in like a month, but I still weigh the exact same, shocker. But when I go to the gym, I run like a mile or two right before I start my workout, and then I'll do just like regular like weightlifting activities, like pretty much all the stuff y'all see on TikTok, like squats, bench press, lat pull, like, you know, all the weightlifting movements. And then other days when I can't go to the gym, which now since I'm in nursing school, it's like more days than not, I'm just really active throughout the day. So like I have a dog that I walk like at least 2 miles every single day. And then I also have a job at the hospital on night shift working labor and delivery. So constantly up, constantly moving. And yeah, and it has worked for me. But the key to losing weight is that you have to do something that is sustainable for you. If you try to like up in your entire life and like make all these crazy changes that you're not able to stick to, you're not going to lose the weight, or you lose it for a second and then it'll come right back because you realize that it's not sustainable for you and for your life. But eating what I want is sustainable for my life. Working out and having a like food, life, workout balance is absolutely perfect for me, and it works.